Auto-obsessed here. It's a huge challenge to produce top-tier detailing cleaners and detailing hardware. But Griots Garage is succeeding with flying colors. Not only do they produce excellent quick detailing products, shampoos, and polishing compounds, but their machine polishers perform very well and are very popular with our detailing customers in Canada. Griot's hardware division doesn't stop at machine polishers. They also make detailing and auto service accessories like creepers, stools, sprayers. And in this video, I'll introduce these 4 new Griots Garage products, plus a retrofit kit that they've made if you own a previous generation but want to upgrade. Here we go, Griots Garage, 4 new detailing products. Check it out. Have you ever thought to yourself when you're using detailing products that, hey, this would be nice if it was in an aerosol? Well, Griots Garage has a solution for you. This is called the Aero Air Can Sprayer. And simply what it is an aluminum canister that you can fill up with whatever detailing product you want, or for that matter, many of the products that you use in the garage. You basically add the product to it, you pressurize the canister. It'll take anywhere from 80 to 116 psi. It has a special valve, overcharging valve, just in case there's too much pressure. And then it turns into an aerosol sprayer. In addition to just your typical spray mist, you can also add the accessory on it, and this will give you more of a directional spray. More like, in a way, kind of like your WD or some of your oil dispensers that have the straw. Same type of thing. You can dispense whatever fluid or detailing product in a nice precision point. Very easy to use. Simply open the top, just pour in whatever detailing product you're going to use, tighten it back up again. On the bottom is the air valve, so with your air compressor, fill it up anywhere between 80 and 116 psi, press the trigger, and it dispenses the product. Super easy to use, absolutely great idea, and this can be adopted to many other products to use in your garage, and I think it's a fantastic idea from Griots Garage. And Griot's added another product to their huge lineup of detailing products. They've added a ceramic glass cleaner. So this product incorporates silane polymer technology along with SiO2. So it adds hydrophobic protection, it creates water beading and prevents water spots. It also helps prevent snow, ice, sleet, or any road spray from sticking to your glass. It's a great as a maintenance product, whether you have glass sealants or glass coatings, so it can be used in combination with all those products. Really easy to use. It's also a great candidate to use with the Air Can Sprayer. We did some testing with it. Very happy with the results. With the sprayer, also nice, beautiful mist. Super easy to use, and we think it'd be a great addition to your detailing products. And Griots Garage introduced a new polisher. This is the Griots Garage G13. And Griots is known for their polishers. Auto-obsessed has been selling their polishers since 2010 when we brought Griots Garage products into Canada. Griots Garage polishers are very cost effective. They're built very well, really easy to use. They're for the garage enthusiasts or into professional level. The G13 is a long throw polisher. So this is a 3-inch polisher. It has a 13mm throw, so it helps on a quicker correction. It has about 62% more cutting action than the G8. It's a really nice small profile. It has 700 watts of power. It includes both the 3-inch and the 2-inch backing plate. It also has the quick connect cord, just like all their new polishers. So if you want to put it in your drawer, you want to put on a longer cord, it's really nice that way. You don't have to always tie up and you get your cords all tangled. Really nice. It has Great rubberized grip, very ergonomic. It fits really good in your hand. The trigger's in a great place. With your thumb, you can control the speed ratings. It has a speed controller lock, and once again, it's backed by the Griots Garage warranty, which is outstanding. You know, if you use their other polishers like a 6-inch or have their 5-inch backing plate, you'll know sometimes it's pretty hard to get into those tight reach areas. So they've solved it with a long throw G13, a great addition to their lineup of tools. Check out the G13 if you're looking for a 2-inch or 3-inch long throw polisher. And Griots Garage released their sit-on creeper version 2. So they had a phenomenal version 1. We sold it for a number of years. High quality, great casters, great seating position, everything you'd kind of want in a creeper. And Griots took it to a next level. So this is version 2 now. So version 2 has at a glance, it kind of has some of the same things you saw in version 1. But one of the biggest things, and I think this is phenomenal, it's basically 2 creepers in 1. So the top pops off. So just do both sides here. So the top pops off, and now we have a second creeper. So this top can be used, you see the casters on it. So this top can be used to sit right on the ground, so you can sit on this, you can wheel around, so you're pretty much sitting right on the floor. Or you can use it as a kneeling creeper as well. So you've kind of, well, I guess maybe 3 creepers in 1. But I know myself, I was looking for something like this over many, many years. There wasn't too many stools that could get you down at that really, really low level. They were all kind of the same height, or you know, you could raise yourself, but to lower yourself was pretty hard. And you know, you try a regular full-size creeper, but they don't really work that well. You can't get close to the car with them. So this here is a phenomenal idea. A couple other features it has. It has a storage compartment in the middle, so you can put towels or maybe detailing tools and such in here. So a nice little storage compartment. On the sides, it has the product holders, so you can put a few products in here. It also has a few accessories that you can get with it as well. You can add to it. So on the seat here, it's kind of a hard plastic, a very durable plastic. If you want a little bit of cushion, they've got a great looking cushion as well. So it's got some nice protection on it to make it just a little bit more comfortable. It also can be used on the removable top, so you can use this on the ground as well to sit on at a low level, or again as a kneeling creeper. So that's a nice little addition that you can add to it. It also has a couple extra bottle holders, so you can just clip these onto the sides. So it can be used for products. Or a good friend of mine recently said, is that cup holders? Yes, you can use these as cup holders as well if you want to put your beverage on it. So a couple add-ons that you can put on the stool that Griots thought of. So now the guys are watching this video and they're going, I already have the sit-on creeper. I've got version 1. I really like these features. I don't know if I'm really want to go ahead and get a second one or you know, bite the bullet and do the upgrade. Griots has hit it out of the park here. Griots has created a retrofit kit so you can turn your version 1 creeper into the version 2 creeper. So the kit comes with the new seat that has the wheels on it, all the instructions to show you how to convert version 1 to version 2. It has the accessory cushion, seat cushion. It also comes with the side bottle holders, and also comes with the accessory additional bottle holders. So you get all this as a retro kit. So for those that are looking for a sit-on creeper, check out version 2. For those that have version 1 and you want all the features of version 2, check out the retro kit. Check out the new Griots Garage products in store or online at autoobsessed.com. For more information or links, you can check it out in our video description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification icon if you want to be notified when we release new videos. We will be releasing new videos soon, so don't miss out, and thank you for watching.